Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've talked about the Royal Enfield Scram411, but something just happened today, so I figured I'd do a quick video. It's going to be a quick video, don't worry. But anyways, let's get into it. So, Scram411, we have just under 2,700 kilometers on it. We've done the maintenance and everything. However, I went to go for a ride with my daughter yesterday. She started up the bike, and I'm like, hey, your engine light's on. And she's like, oh, I never noticed that. Now, she hasn't been riding for about a month or so, so we just thought also the time on the bar went dead, so I thought, you know what, maybe it's just the battery's a little low, and it was something to do with that. She did a quick ride and it didn't come off, so we brought it back home. So I was a little worried about it. We parked it. I went inside, got the owner's manual, read through all the owner's manual to find out what the check engine light means. I know it means something bad, but all it says on it is consult your local dealer. So that's what I did. I had contacted them. They're like, I just basically asked them, like, how do we find out what the codes are? And he told me I'd have to bring it in and they can hook it up to the machine. And I'm like, okay, should I trailer it in? Should I, or can I ride it in, do you think? And he's like, you should trailer it. However, check the oil level, because this Scram411 has been burning a lot of oil. So I was like, oh crap, like it hasn't been like, so we're at 2,700, so 500 kilometers, so 2,200 kilometers is all we've driven on it. Now, when we did the oil, we put in about, I think it's 1.6 to 1.8 liters of oil. The initial is like 2.3, but when you do an oil change, it's 1.6 to 1.8, and we checked it and it was fine. However, we came out and checked it today. I should have checked it yesterday when this actually happened, but there was no sight of oil at all. We ended up putting in just in and around a liter and a little bit, maybe just plus or minus, 100 milliliters. But I didn't know that this was a thing on the Scram411, that they are burning oil. So I thought I'd come on and just share it. Apparently, Scram411s are burning oil. If you have this issue, make sure you check it. And actually, I should have known too, because it sounded like it was clicking yesterday. Sounds great today after we have enough oil in it. But anyways, until next time, later.